What is going on, my friends? I will be doing a quick trade recap. Nothing crazy here. If you are new here, my name is Chance. I made this channel to provide as much value that I can and keep being transparent when it comes to trading in the stock market. The trade was a $210 profit in less than 5 minutes. Now, I got in the trade at 7:16, right here at the top. You can zoom in right here. So right here I got in at 7:16, right at the top of the screen. I got in with 3 contracts. Got in with 3 contracts at $3.15, 3.15. Now, anyone new with options, 1 is equivalent to 100. So if the contract is 1.00, it's really $100. So my contract is 3.35. So $315 times 3 is $1,005 invested. So far I was invested with 3 contracts, which, like I said, is equivalent to $1,005. So the top of this green candle I got in went down just a tad, it was showing signs of strength, being bullish. Bullish means it's going to go up, and so it starts to go up. The way that I trade is I go in decently, moderately heavy, and get out very quick, because the type of trader that I am impatient, and I get in, get out quick. My trades usually last no more than 45 minutes. So like I said, got in at 7:16. A couple candles later, started to go up, and I got in at 7:19 right here in the middle of this green candle. It was like 20 seconds after 7:19. So I got in right in the middle of this green candle. Got in, and then I got in with 10 contracts. So 10, I got in at 340. I believe it was 340. Let me check. Yeah, it was 340. So 10 times 340 is 3,400. So far, like I said, the 3 contracts I invested, plus the additional 10 contracts I invested, that is 13 contracts. So all the money that I was invested with the trade is 4,615. So a minute later, right in between this middle candle, at 7:20, I sold all my 13 contracts for 4,615. So I sold them for 4,615. You minus what you sold it for by what you invested. Now remember when I said I invested 4,000. No, I apologize. Basically 4,615 minus 4,405, that is $210. So you subtract what you sold it for by what you invested, and that's how you get the difference. You guys can do the calculations yourself if you want, but this trade, I apologize. This trade was a 5-minute trade. This was 7:16 in the morning, and it was about 45 minutes, 46 minutes after market open. Apple was taking a good dip, market was selling off, and then I saw the market kind of push up, try to recover some of the losses it made, and I thought it was a good opportunity to get in an Apple. The way that I trade is get in, get out, and on top of that, I try to see stocks that have value, stocks that I can make a quick buck on, and I want to make sure that they have value in them, because I'm not going to be trading anything that does not have value. Usually I trade on the bearish side. Bearish means the stock goes down. So a little more about options is calls is when the market goes up, and puts is when the market goes down. So I got in with 13 calls today total. It was a quick trade, one of my quicker trades, and really that's that. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did, what times I got in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the trades that I do. So I just wanted to, if you've watched this far, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. It would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe, if I provided any value, and make sure that if you choose to do so, press the like buttons if this video was informative, so I know that I'm providing value, and give me some type of video ideas if you guys want, or if there's a certain topic that you guys would like for me to talk about. And yeah, I hope that I wasn't taking too much of you guys' time, and I hope that you guys have a great night. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.